Are you adventurous? You want to discover those secret recipes for positive transformation. You can learn that techniques for powerful, positive transformation, evidence-based, positive psychology that you need for your growth, for your success, for life-changing events. You want to change your life? You want a new transition to a better place. You want to be able to become a role model to others, an achiever, a success story. I can help you. My name is Josephine. I'm a transformational coach, certified Christian life coach. And this is a better way. 1, 2. Call me on 404-590-8414. Send me an email at learnwithjoes@gmail.com. Or better still, go on my website, learnwithjoes.com. You will find information about my coaching services. And let me tell you another thing, freebies on the free download. I can help you love yourself correctly. Start today. Take that necessary step today to unlock your transformation by learning my secret recipes. Have a pleasant day.